Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to use session directive in Laravel blade file. So let me show you one example. So image upload example. So let me select one image and click on the upload. So you can see that here is the image uploaded successfully message. So right now how it is working, let me show you that. Okay, so if you go to the controller, after image uploaded successfully, I am passing the success session variable. Inside the session variable, I am passing image uploaded successfully, and inside the blade file I am going to use if directive, and then like check session has success, and then if there is a has success, then like session get method and display the message. Okay, so Laravel already provided at the rate session. We can use that, like at the rate session, and let me pass the argument as a key, like success key. Inside that, let me close this session and session, and let me add here like div class and alert success bootstrap class let me use, and let me display the value. Okay, so let me remove this one. So it should work exactly same what we have before. So let me refresh it and let me upload here, like image upload, and upload it. You can see that image uploaded successfully. So you can see that this is much clear, like session directive, and you just need to pass the key as a like name what we have a session name, and then you can see value variable that will give the value. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Thank you.